This 3098, this is the key critical mark now. See it?
Okay.
It has,
Yep.
it has to be above this.
Okay.
If not, you're gonna get a big pull. I
I
mean,
don't.
big pull. So I don't like this spot.
Okay. I'm gonna stay away from it then for a couple
Yeah,
minutes.
yeah. Because even if this pops up, right, the biggest move you're gonna make is back up to 3251. Honestly, I'd rather it break above 3251 and I play this upside than trying to get this bottom that could possibly. The reason I'm saying this, see this candle?
Yep.
If it breaks below this, you're gonna just go just like this.
Mm.
So
Okay.
it's more dangerous to try to buy here to come back to here than it is to buy here to go to here. Does that make sense?
Yeah, totally.
Yep.
Yep. Okay, cool.
So,
Thanks.
yep. And now if this does start to come back into this channel, you can scoop it up. But again, I do not like it sitting here.
Okay.
Typically we'll buy on the bottom here and ride this channel.
Mm-hmm.
Because of this long candle, I don't like it. It's just too risky. It's just too risky.
Okay.
Yep. See, and that's the
Cool.
other thing. Like if you were not a master scalper, none of you would have known that, right?
Right.
Yeah, you're just like, oh, coach says buy right here on the bottom, and then we'll ride it back up. Well, this is a very dangerous area. Even if it comes back up, the risk to reward is not there. See here, you would have just lost money, right?
Yeah, I would have been pissed. Okay.
Yeah. And now we're down into this channel, and we sure the hell don't want to be in here.
No.
And look at your Elliott wave oscillator. Look down here. See it fade.
Okay. Yep. Okay.
So again, it could pop up, but again, you've got to always play on the risk to reward ratio. I would way rather wait for here than risk this that you'd got no stop in pre-market. Now, if this was
Right.
regular market, no problem. I could put a stop right here and I'm golden, right?
Right.
But pre-market, we don't get that opportunity. We don't have that luxury. So we've got to be extra cautious here.
Okay. Yeah.
Again, if it does break 325, that's when I'd hammer this back to the upside. Until
Okay.
then, stay away from this little range here. It's just too dangerous. That's all.
Now 325 and then a second candle, so it's steady, right?
That's correct. Yeah, we want to
Okay.
break and hold up here above 325. Yep.
Okay. Cool. Thanks.
Yep. Just keep an eye on all this stuff. I just don't want you guys. Pre-market is just way more dangerous. And go in smaller, like right here. I can get ready. Same thing with you. 834. Okay, last price. If this breaks and holds as 325, I'll just scoop up like 2,000 shares, which looks like I can move it. But again, in pre-market, I'm not buying the bottom of a channel because it can pull. And when pre-market pulls,
It pulls hard.
it doesn't stop. Yeah, it doesn't stop. Okay,
Right.
here I'm entering. There we go. There it is. Make a quick buck. A little more pop. I didn't get enough. Oh, there it goes. Cancel this. A little more pop. Come on, baby. I had 40 in there. A little more. There it is. Bingo. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Much safer here than here, right?
Right. Totally.
Yes, even because we're doing the same thing. We're in, out, in, out, in, out.
Right.
But this
Okay.
one can just. So now this looks really good up here. You got confirmation. So again, as long as it stays above 325, do not let it come back below because then we're back in this channel and then it will try to make its way back to the lower end of this channel here. See it?
Yep.
Now, the good thing is, I just noticed we can short this. Usually you can't short these. So if you have a margin account, you can actually short this thing. So if this falls below 325 and holds, we can short it back down to 3098. Watch this. I'm going to short Tesla right here. Ready?
Okay.
All I got to do is buy it. Now I own it. See it?
Yep.
Same thing. So if it goes down, I make money. If it goes up, I don't. Just the opposite of the other way. See, now I'm in the green. Sell it. There you go. Just made money. See it?